Stop blindly handing over your retirement savings for useless, synthetic brain-boosting gummies, because a $3 grocery store seed can permanently reverse your terrifying memory loss symptoms, and the multi-billion-dollar cognitive supplement industry has deliberately hidden this exact biological protocol from you for decades. The pharmaceutical executives and the predatory memory care conglomerates are fully aware that this ancient, highly volatile plant compound rapidly clears neuroinflammation and physically rebuilds degraded neural pathways overnight. They are absolutely terrified that you are about to discover this inexpensive, natural, cognitive restoring secret, because the second you do, their lucrative, predatory pipeline of overpriced nootropics and devastating institutional care completely collapses. They want you confused, they want you reliant on their synthetic chemical cocktails, and they want your family terrified of your mental decline so they can drain your family's generational assets. Today, I am completely dismantling their empire of deception and handing you the exact, at-home neurohacking blueprint to permanently eradicate your brain fog, dissolve amyloid plaques, and reclaim your razor-sharp memory starting tonight. You have been subjected to one of the most mathematically engineered, financially devastating psychological operations in modern medical history. Every time you misplace your keys, forget a name, or lose your train of thought in the middle of a sentence, the medical establishment wants you to feel a cold spike of absolute terror. They have conditioned you to believe that this cognitive decay is an inevitable, unstoppable consequence of simply getting older. They call it mild cognitive impairment or age-related memory decline, wrapping their failure to cure you in clinical-sounding terminology. This is a biologically bankrupt lie. Your brain is not a static hard drive that simply runs out of storage space or inevitably rusts away. It is a highly dynamic, fiercely plastic biological organ capable of generating new neurons, forming new synapses, and physically rewiring itself until the very last day of your life. But the cognitive care industry cannot patent a cheap, naturally occurring seed, so they engineered a massive global cover-up. Look at the sheer, undeniable corruption of the brain health industry. Over the last 30 years, they have funneled billions of dollars into researching synthetic, patentable drugs designed to target amyloid beta plaques in the brain. They promised these miracle drugs would cure dementia. Yet, every single one of these heavily hyped, astronomically expensive pharmaceuticals has either failed miserably in clinical trials or caused devastating side effects like brain bleeding and severe swelling. Why? Because they are treating a symptom, not the root biological fire. When the drugs fail, they pivot to the equally corrupt supplement industry. They flood the market with $60 bottles of powdered ginkgo biloba, synthetic B vitamins, and highly processed fish oils, promising to support brain health. These supplements are largely indigestible trash. The active compounds are either destroyed by your stomach acid instantly or are completely incapable of crossing the highly selective blood-brain barrier. It is a spectacular grift. First, they sell you the useless daily pills that offer false hope. Then, as your memory inevitably continues to fail, because the root cause remains completely unaddressed, they transition you into their ultimate, horrific cash cow, the memory care facility. These institutions charge $8,000, $10,000, or $12,000 every single month to warehouse seniors, sedating them with heavy antipsychotics to keep them docile while they systemically drain their life savings. They rely on your fear. They rely on the despair of your children. As an independent investigative researcher deeply committed to exposing these buried biochemical truths, I must clearly state that this broadcast is strictly for educational purposes and is not intended as medical advice to replace your neurologist's guidance. However, I absolutely implore you to look at the verifiable, peer-reviewed science they are desperately keeping from you. You do not have to accept the terrifying erasure of your identity, your memories, and your independence. The solution has been sitting in plain sight, hidden in the spice aisle of specialized markets, costing less than a gallon of gas. To understand exactly how this heavily suppressed, microscopic seed performs its miraculous overnight cognitive reconstruction, we must take a deep, unflinching dive into the microscopic anatomy of your deteriorating brain. Deep inside your temporal lobe lies a seahorse-shaped structure called the hippocampus. This is the absolute epicenter of your memory formation, your spatial navigation, and your ability to learn. It is where short-term experiences are encoded into permanent, long-term memories. In a healthy, youthful brain, the neurons in the hippocampus communicate at lightning speed, firing electrical impulses across microscopic gaps called synapses, using chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, specifically acetylcholine. When you begin to experience brain fog, memory loss, and cognitive decline, it is not because your brain is simply old. It is because a violent, localized inflammatory fire is raging inside your skull. Due to decades of exposure to environmental toxins, highly processed inflammatory diets, refined sugars, and chronic stress, your brain's immune system goes completely haywire. The brain has its own dedicated immune cells called microglia. Normally, these microglial cells act as the janitors of the brain, quietly sweeping away metabolic waste while you sleep. But under the assault of modern toxins, these microglia become hyperactivated. They transform from peaceful janitors into heavily armed soldiers, pumping out a continuous stream of highly destructive pro-inflammatory cytokines, specifically interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha. This chronic neuroinflammation is an absolute catastrophe for your memory. The inflammatory fire physically damages the blood-brain barrier, making it leaky and allowing even more toxins to flood into your delicate neural tissue. Worse, the constant state of alarm triggers the overproduction of an enzyme called acetylcholinesterase. This malicious enzyme acts like a biological vacuum cleaner, aggressively sucking up and destroying your acetylcholine before it can bridge the synaptic gap. Without acetylcholine, your neurons cannot communicate. The signal drops. The memory fails to form. The name vanishes from the tip of your tongue. At the same time, this toxic environment prevents your brain from producing BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is literal miracle grow for your brain. It is the protein responsible for neurogenesis, the birth of new brain cells. When BDNF levels plummet, your hippocampus literally begins to shrink, atrophying and dying off. This is the horrifying reality of what is happening inside your head while the supplement industry tells you to just take another useless multivitamin. This is exactly where the medical establishment wants you to stay, trapped in a downward spiral of neural decay. But this cheap, $3 seed completely overrides and reverses this entire catastrophic biological cascade. This seed contains a densely packed, highly volatile phytochemical matrix that acts as a targeted genetic master switch for your entire central nervous system. When these specific lipophilic molecules successfully cross the blood-brain barrier, they perform a miraculous multi-stage biological intervention. First, they immediately seek out and bind to the hyperactivated microglial cells, instantly shutting down the production of those destructive inflammatory cytokines. The biological fire is extinguished on contact. Second, these compounds act as potent, natural acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. They physically block the enzyme that is destroying your memory neurotransmitters, allowing your acetylcholine levels to surge back to youthful, optimal levels. Finally, and most miraculously, the active compounds in this seed trigger a massive, localized explosion in the production of BDNF, forcing your hippocampus to physically grow, sprouting new dendrites and wiring fresh neural networks overnight. So, what is this miraculous, heavily suppressed ingredient? It is the raw, unadulterated seed of nigella sativa. You may know it by its common name, black seed or black cumin seed. But do not click away, and do not rush to order a cheap bottle of black seed oil capsules from Amazon, because doing so will yield absolutely zero cognitive results. The multi-billion-dollar supplement industry knows exactly how this plant works, which is why they intentionally sell you heavily processed, oxidized, completely useless versions of it. They sell you mass-produced oils that have been subjected to high heat extraction, completely destroying the delicate, volatile compounds. They sell you capsules that dissolve in your stomach acid, ensuring the active ingredients never make it anywhere near your brain. The monumental secret they buried lies in the exact species, the raw state of the seed, and a highly specific at-home lipid-binding preparation protocol that turns this simple seed into a hyperpotent, blood-brain barrier penetrating neuroregenerator. The absolute key to this cognitive miracle is a highly volatile, highly unstable quinone compound locked deep inside the shell of the raw seed called thymoquinone, or TQ. Thymoquinone is exponentially more powerful than any synthetic nootropic drug ever synthesized in a laboratory. It is highly lipophilic, meaning it binds perfectly to fats, and its ability to halt neuroinflammation and trigger BDNF production is unparalleled in the natural world. But to harness this power, you must extract and bind the TQ yourself, completely bypassing the corrupt supplement supply chain. Here is the exact step-by-step protocol to source, activate, and consume this dollar store cognitive miracle. First, you must completely ignore all pre-bottled oils and extracts. You must source whole, raw, organic nigella sativa seeds. Not just any seeds, you must specifically seek out seeds grown in the mineral-rich volcanic soils of Ethiopia or the harsh, high-altitude climates of the Mediterranean, as these specific environmental stressors force the plant to produce exponentially higher concentrations of thymoquinone as a defense mechanism. The seeds should be jet black, slightly rough to the touch, and strongly aromatic even before they are crushed. Once you have secured the raw, high-altitude nigella sativa seeds, you must prepare the carrier matrix. Your brain is composed of nearly 60% fat. In order to smuggle the thymoquinone past the highly restrictive blood-brain barrier, you must bind it to a specific type of medium-chain triglyceride that the brain readily absorbs as immediate fuel. You cannot use water, and you absolutely cannot use highly processed seed oils like canola or soybean oil, which will only cause more brain inflammation. You must use pure, raw, unrefined, cold-pressed organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is extraordinarily high in caprylic and capric acids, which bypass normal digestive processing, go straight to your liver, and are immediately converted into ketones. Ketones are the ultimate clean-burning rocket fuel for your brain. The preparation must be done fresh, every single day, to ensure the highly volatile thymoquinone does not evaporate or oxidize. Take exactly 1/2 teaspoon of the raw nigella sativa seeds. Do not grind them in a high-speed electric blender. The rapid friction generates heat that instantly destroys the TQ molecule. You must use a traditional heavy granite or marble mortar and pestle. Place the seeds in the mortar and manually crush them using a firm, grinding motion. You are not trying to turn them into a fine dust. You are simply cracking the hard outer hull to release the volatile oils trapped inside. You will immediately smell a sharp, pungent, slightly peppery aroma. That aroma is the raw thymoquinone vaporizing into the air. Speed is now critical. The moment the seeds are cracked, immediately scoop them into a small glass bowl and add exactly 1 tablespoon of your raw, unrefined coconut oil. Use a wooden spoon, never metal, as metal induces rapid oxidation, to vigorously fold the cracked seeds into the fat. As you stir, the lipophilic thymoquinone is aggressively pulled out of the seed hulls and binds directly to the medium-chain triglycerides in the coconut oil. You have just created a highly potent, hyper-bioavailable cognitive regeneration serum. Now you are ready for the application phase, and the timing is absolutely vital. You cannot take this on a full stomach, or it will simply be digested alongside your breakfast. You must consume this raw, activated fat matrix first thing in the morning, immediately upon waking, in a state of absolute fasting. Do not chew the seeds. Place the entire tablespoon of the coconut oil and seed mixture directly under your tongue. This is called sublingual administration. The area under your tongue is packed with a dense network of capillaries that lead directly into your bloodstream, completely bypassing the destructive acids of the digestive system and the first-pass metabolism of the liver. Hold the oil beneath your tongue for a full 60 seconds, allowing the thymoquinone-loaded ketones to diffuse straight into your blood. Then, swallow the remainder. The timeline of your cognitive recovery begins the very moment you swallow. Day 1 is the Great Awakening. Within 45 minutes of your first sublingual application, the ketone-bound thymoquinone violently crashes through the blood-brain barrier. You will not feel a jittery, anxious spike like you do from caffeine. Instead, you will experience a profound crystalline clarity, washing over the front of your skull. The TQ is actively shutting down the microglial fire and neutralizing the acetylcholinesterase enzymes. The thick, suffocating brain fog that has plagued your mornings for years will lift like a physical veil. As your acetylcholine levels suddenly spike, you will find yourself able to hold on to complex thoughts without losing your place. When you go to sleep on that first night, be prepared for incredibly vivid, detailed dreams. This is the physiological hallmark of your hippocampus, rapidly processing and encoding information again. By day 7, the biological reconstruction is actively reversing years of decline. The continuous daily flooding of your brain with thymoquinone has kept the inflammatory cytokines completely suppressed. With the toxic environment cleared, your brain begins producing massive surges of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. The frustrating phenomenon of the tip of the tongue memory failure begins to vanish completely. You will effortlessly recall names of people you haven't seen in months. You will walk into a room and actually remember exactly why you went in there. Your vocabulary will dramatically expand as dormant neural pathways are suddenly re-illuminated and flushed with electrical activity. By day 30 of consistent, fasted sublingual application, the structural matrix of your hippocampus is fundamentally transformed. The aggressive stimulation of neurogenesis has literally thickened the gray matter in your temporal lobe. The microscopic amyloid beta proteins that were threatening to form permanent, suffocating plaques have been swept away by your rejuvenated microglial cells, which have returned to their proper role as janitors. Your reaction times will sharpen, your focus will become unshakable, and the terrifying specter of cognitive decline will be entirely eradicated. You have successfully bypassed the predatory supplement industry, completely avoided the horrifying fate of a memory care facility, and entirely regenerated your failing brain using a $3 seed and the brilliant, undeniable power of human neurobiology. The medical establishment desperately hopes you ignore this protocol. They want you to dismiss this as holistic nonsense so you will return to their clinics, begging for their useless synthetic pills while your mind slowly slips away. Do not give them that satisfaction. Reclaim your memory, reclaim your identity, and rebuild your brain starting tomorrow morning. If this deep dive investigation has finally opened your eyes to the truth they have been hiding, you need to subscribe to this channel immediately. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another suppressed biological protocol. And if you want to ensure you are using the absolute highest grade, high-altitude Ethiopian nigella sativa seeds and the clinically pure cold-pressed coconut oil required to extract the thymoquinone properly, check the description box below. I have linked the exact, unrefined, raw ingredients that guarantee maximum blood-brain barrier penetration, along with the correct mortar and pestle to perfect this protocol. Take control of your cognitive health today, and never let the medical industry dictate the fate of your mind again.